everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to a cloudy day in Florida. We don't get that very often here in Florida. Anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. So right now we are just on our way to a S1 Built meet. If you guys don't know what S1 Built is, I would say it's a car club, but it's not really a car club. It's more like a car family, but there's gonna be some pretty awesome cars there. A couple of them you guys have seen on the channel before, but nevertheless, let's go and check it out. I also just want to take a second to thank S1 Built for kind of including me in their family, especially as of late. I've really enjoyed the company, and everyone has been pretty awesome. And yeah, guys, also we do have shirts. If you guys want a shirt, there's a link in the description below. Also check out thedrivenchannel.com. My channel has been newly featured on that website, and there's also a bunch of other great smaller automotive YouTubers that necessarily don't get, you know, all the recognition they deserve. But yeah, so check out that website if you guys want to check out some other car YouTubers, or just check out, you know, my portion of the webpage. It's pretty awesome. And of course, it's raining right now. Why is it raining, you may ask? Well, I washed my car yesterday, so naturally. We made a quick pit stop. We're trying to do, you know, some professional YouTubing shit here, but it doesn't really work like that. But yeah, look at these. Just awesome, beautiful, amazing. This is behind the scene footage. The making of a YouTube video. I'm not even doing anything. This Supra here is gonna be in an upcoming video. I think we're gonna do a little collab. He's actually got his own YouTube channel. I'll post a link in the description below if you want to check out his Supra, but it's pretty awesome. It's at about 600 horsepower. I mean, if you can't tell by, you know, pretty much slicks on the back. But yeah, so this is gonna be in a video soon. I think it's gonna be an awesome video. We're gonna get my reaction. So we just arrived, guys. It's still pretty early. People are just rolling in. The rain has slightly stopped, which is pretty good. So we're gonna give the show a minute to commence here before we really get some coverage going, but at least we already have the trio. We already got the trio lined up.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
What's up, Booty?
Oh yeah! All right, this is insane. This is it a vet? It's a vet. All right, you guys got to check this out. That's America. We'll be checking that out as soon as he parks.
I wish my turbo showed.
You get with the camera's gay.
You know what? Don't follow Tampa Sign. No,
Unfollow Tampa Sign.
this is crazy though. It's very well done.
Oh, it's got oh, it's the glitter.
You got to top it off with the perp turbos.
Duh, because purple's amazing.
Drawing a crowd early in the show.
I look like a rapper. I don't think
He's FBI today. He's not getting paid anything for this though, so don't let him fool you. Taking the over/under on horsepower bets. Yeah. We can end it. That's him, right?
1250. What do you say? Wait. What do you say?
I say 1100.
Above or below 1,000?
Come on.
Above or below 1,000? A little above. Oh, this guy. He's got the win.
I'm not like 12 right now.
1250. I say 1200.
1,200. Called it.
Hey, the guy with the skyline says he'll race you any day.
I'll race you any day. On video. clutch kick. Some pretty awesome 240s. Got an RB25 swapped 240. Make sure you follow him, Clutch Kick. He also has a YouTube if you want to know more about the build process on this puppy. This diffuser is, I don't know if you guys can quite see that, it's kind of dark, but the diffuser is really awesome. I like the color on this one a lot. The nice wide body kit on there. It's pretty good. So as you can see, it's starting to fill up. It's getting there. The event technically doesn't start until noon. So I'm gonna do my best. The music's decently loud to try to talk to you guys, but I'm sure I'll create a montage somewhere in this video, show you guys all the JDM goodness. So we also got some barbecue action going down. So you guys know that there's probably gonna be a food vlog before the end of this video. And I know you guys are excited about that. I'm excited already. Oh yeah. That's what the viewers want to see. Oh yeah. Come on. I know you guys are jealous of this. You gotta be jealous. Capri Sun. Pretty awesome VW bus for those of you guys who are interested in that kind of stuff. It also has a sticker on it though that I really like in particular, and that is this one right here. 50 Shades of Rust. I like it. I can dig it. Oh, I almost fall. Hey Tony, check this out. They got Capri Sun.
Haven't seen one in like forever.
They got, Tony, I don't think you're giving us the reaction that we're looking for here. Doesn't she hate being on camera?
I'm serious. Oh my god!
She hates being on camera.
You can't own a car.
He's got a more professional setup though.
Like this and not be famous.
The cleanest Supra in the world.
If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be where I am.
Mic check too. Mic check.
There was actually supposed to be a cleaner Supra here today, but
Well,
he came.
Mic check.
You got the cleanest one. So.
Mic.
Oh, break it! Bring it down!
Let's gather around.
Holy shit! He's popping his hood! He's popping the hood! Whoa! Gotta zoom out for the size of that turbo right there.
I've never seen one of these.
Never seen one. What is this here? This one of them Nissans?
Is that a Corolla?
It's an ugly Corolla. 95 Corolla Coupe. It's the latest S1 built project. Very much in the process of, but still looking pretty good. Super clean. Road legal, I'm sure. Straight up flexing right here. Straight up flexing. Check out this MR2, which it may look just like a normal MR2, but it's actually a right-hand drive. So that's pretty cool. You don't see too many of these in right-hand drive form, but you can see the interior is also just super, super clean. I mean, the car as a whole is super, super clean, but that's pretty unique that it's right-hand drive. As well, to go along with the Supra over here, that's also right-hand drive. There's almost more right-hand drive cars here than there is normal. You guys have seen this car before on the channel, but it never gets old looking at it, I will tell you that. So, I think all you guys are going to be a little bit mad at me, but I did not share with you the food vlog. It was delicious. We had burgers, a lot of good stuff. I didn't share it with you guys, so I apologize. Don't run away. Don't run away. Tony doesn't mind being on camera.
I'm on camera because I got my own YouTube channel.
What is your YouTube channel? You better plug it right now. Plug it.
Yeah, Takara Tony.
Takara Tony. Are you charging for this?
Yeah, 50 bucks.
50 bucks.
Yeah.
50 bucks, let's do it. No, stay in, close the door.
Hey, he hasn't paid for the deposit yet, so good.
There, interior 34 Skyline. How's it feel? Feels nice?
Feeling really Japanese.
Really Japanese.
JDM, yo.
Hey, somebody threw a Capri Sun on the ground next to my
shit.
car.
Shh. Yeah, here, I'll just... This guy's littering. All right, everybody, so I think now is a good time to effectively end the vlog. I'm gonna be heading out of here in just a minute, just like some other people are. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And as usual, we will catch you guys on the next video.